Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to adjust the homepage layout and update apps on your Lemon TV L2 Android 14 GTV box. These simple steps will help you make the most of your TV box and improve your viewing experience. To rearrange your apps, long press the OK button while an app icon is selected to enter the Move interface. Use the left and right directional keys to adjust the position, then press OK to confirm. In this mode, you can move other apps simply by pressing the OK button once. Once you have finished rearranging, press the down directional key and select Done to exit the Move mode. You can also access the Move interface by selecting the Reorder located at the very end of the app list. Next, let's look at how to enable the lock screen and screensaver features. Simply select the lock screen option and your TV box will enter lock screen mode. Use the left and right directional keys to switch wallpapers and press any other key to exit the lock screen mode. Finally, let's see how to update the applications on your TV box such as your favourites, Netflix and Disney+. Simply open the Market app and locate the application you wish to update. Tap the Update button and the application will automatically download and install the latest version. Today, we covered how to customise the home screen layout, utilise the lock screen feature, and update apps on the Lemon TV L2 Android 14 GTV box. These steps help ensure a smoother user experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. We'll see you next time.